Yo, what's up? I thought I watched back the video, the first one I did, and I wanted to add a few things. Um, I talked mostly about GMOs and how they affect our culture, the way we eat, the way we pay for our food, how much we pay for our food, and I just wanted to add a little bit about how Badu would see it, because that is the project. Um, and having done two of the analyses, I have a pretty good grasp on this. Elaine Badu would, if he were to, review this issue and talk about it himself, he would absolutely be appalled, have so much disdain for what's going on. He wouldn't condone any of this. To him, it's evil. For one, he doesn't like capitalism at all. There's a couple quotes I found. He said, if I can remember correctly, liberal capitalism isn't the backbone of a good culture or nation, but instead it is a crippling evil that will crush and dominate a culture and society, and in this case it's true. And not many people know about it. That's the biggest problem. It's not a lot of people know about it. I think if more people did their research on this, it might help. It might stop it. Badu would say that what needs to happen, which I don't think is going to happen anytime soon, as I've stated before, is that people stop buying into this. Either they research which foods, Monsanto, Tyson, big name brands that are buying out the farms and the agriculture system in our country and countries abroad, including South America, India, other parts of Asia. If we stopped, then ultimately those companies would fail. That's basic economics. But we can't because, we would die. Another thing that could happen is if every single farm stopped and didn't make a class action lawsuit, but did something similar in that they just all stopped working with these companies and went back to whatever scale they were, small scale, medium scale, large scale farms producing a lot of food to local towns, cities across the country, and nations across oceans, then it might help, and it might end it. I'm not really familiar with the biology of it. I'm not a biologist. But I'm not positive if every crop would die because pesticides are really the backbone to growing food now. But I feel like there's always an alternate option to anything, and that could be one of them. I just wanted to say that in addition to the first video I put up, because I felt like it was a little bit empty watching it myself, and it felt like I was talking about one thing the whole time. Yeah. Thanks for watching the second video, press.